Camping in the forest can be an exhilarating and immersive outdoor experience, offering the opportunity to connect with nature, unwind amidst serene surroundings, and create lasting memories. When setting up a tent in the forest, it's essential to consider various factors to ensure safety, comfort, and enjoyment throughout your camping adventure. Here are some essential tips for camping tent setup in the forest. Look for a level and clear area free of rocks, roots, and debris to set up your tent. Select a spot away from potential hazards such as dead trees, steep slopes, or areas prone to flooding or high winds. Consider the proximity to water sources, restroom facilities, and trails while respecting the environment and following leave no trace principles. Utilize natural features such as trees and shrubs for windbreaks, shade, and additional privacy. Position your tent to take advantage of natural ventilation and sunlight while minimizing exposure to direct sunlight during the hottest parts of the day. Clear the area of twigs, rocks, and sharp objects that could puncture the tent floor or cause discomfort while sleeping. Use a ground tarp or footprint to protect the tent floor from moisture, abrasion, and ground-level condensation. Inspect the ground for signs of insects, animal activity, or potential hazards before setting up your tent. Use high-quality tent stakes and guy lines to secure your tent firmly to the ground, especially in windy conditions. Ensure proper tension and stability by adjusting the stakes and guy lines to prevent sagging or flapping in the wind. Consider using additional anchor points, such as rocks or fallen branches, for added stability and security. Keep the tent windows, doors, and vents open to promote airflow and reduce condensation buildup inside the tent. Use mesh panels and rainfly vents to improve ventilation while protecting against insects, rain, and inclement weather. Position the tent entrance away from prevailing winds to minimize drafts and maintain a comfortable temperature inside the tent. Be mindful of wildlife activity in the forest and take precautions to secure food, trash, and scented items in bear-proof containers or designated storage areas. Avoid leaving food or cooking odors inside the tent to prevent attracting animals and potential encounters. Familiarize yourself with local wildlife regulations and safety guidelines to mitigate risks and ensure a safe camping experience. Use a reliable flashlight, headlamp, or lantern to navigate around the campsite and inside the tent during nighttime. Keep essential items such as first aid kits, emergency supplies, and communication devices readily accessible in case of emergencies. Secure tent zippers and closures to prevent insects, small animals, and moisture from entering the tent while you sleep. Practice leave. No trace principles by minimizing your impact on the environment, packing out all trash, and leaving the campsite cleaner than you found it. Avoid damaging vegetation, disturbing wildlife habitats, or altering natural features while setting up your tent and exploring the forest. Follow local regulations, camping guidelines, and designated camping areas to preserve the wilderness and ensure a sustainable outdoor experience for future generations. By following these camping tent tips in the forest, you can enhance your camping experience, minimize risks, and enjoy the beauty and tranquility of nature while creating unforgettable memories amidst the great outdoors.
అట్లాగే ఉంచు స్టార్టా ఎందుకంటే
గరం కాదు అనుకుంటే
గరం కాలేదు, కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే మళ్ళీ మనకి చిట్టపట్లు ఉంటాయి కదా. వస్తున్నా.
అయితే ఇప్పుడు షట్ డౌన్ అయిపోతుంది గోప్రో ఈజీగా. అది కారు ఇక్కడ
ఎన్ని దిగాలా వద్దా?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.